Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Miyota Chronograph watch movement. This is going to be something that you are going to do after you have replaced the watch battery. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a metallic pair of tweezers. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the basic watchmaker toolkit, where you can find all the proper tools in order to do this. So what we want to do is to inspect the back plate and find this minus where we can actually insert our pair of tweezers. Sometimes you can also see a small arrow that points to the exact hole or point where you need to make contact. So what I want to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here, and then the other one is going to make contact with the plus of the watch battery. I'm going to hold it like this for 3 to 5 seconds, and then I want to make sure that the watch is ticking, so the seconds hand of the watch is ticking. This particular model has the seconds hand here at 6 o'clock, and as you can see, it is ticking. In case you have made the AC reset and your chronograph is misaligned, what you want to do is to also recalibrate the watch chronograph, so the chronograph of the watch, and I'm going to show you how to do that, link in the description box below, as well as how to set the time and date. In case you want to watch the full video with how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.